Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll see different types of push-ups ranging from the basic beginners level to the intermediate and the at last advanced, which is the explosive Superman type of push-ups. So let's check out the push-ups.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
So guys, these were the types of push-ups. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you guys like this video, do give the thumbs up and see you guys until next time. Cheers. Level, and you have to practice day by day to reach the explosive push-ups. So thank you for fuck off. man.